Press the ice button. The unit will begin to operate, and the making ice indicator will turn on. When the machine runs out of water, the add water indicator will light up. Open the flip door, pull the water tank out halfway, and flip open the tank cover. Pour water into the water tank. The maximum capacity is 1.8 liters. Make sure the water tank is fully pushed into place, otherwise a water shortage warning may occur. When the ice basket is full, the ice full indicator will light up. Press the light button to turn on the interior light. Press again to turn it off. Press the clean button to initiate the cleaning process for about 20 minutes. The cleaning indicator will be on. When the process is completed, the indicator will automatically turn off. You can press the clean button again to stop the process. Pull out the drain plug located at the bottom of the machine to empty the water. After draining, return the drain plug to its original position.